show you how to unbox a brand new Transformers pinball machine. Now this is not just a regular Transformers pinball machine, it's the Autobot limited edition. First we gotta unbox it.
Give it a good pull, Terry. Sometimes a little help is needed. There it goes.
Smells new. These are the legs. Now be careful with one of these. I'm going to take these bolts out to put in the new legs. Now I'm going to bolt the legs up. Now you have to be careful so you don't scratch the red paint. Now I'm going to get Ryan to lower the pinball machine down. When you get a pinball machine this new, you have to follow the directions on how to set the game up, just like we've been following. You have to be careful when you're taking this off. The bolt out of the back leg out. Brian, can you lift up the box?
Sure.
See how easy this is?
Well, I'm holding all the weight.
And now we're going to lift the head up. This is the coffee block that lifts the head up. Ryan, I need your help again.
Here I am.
Let's put this in the machine for later use. Let's pull the power cord out.
Keep pulling. You'll never plug it in if you don't keep pulling.
Wow, this is the only limited edition, 125 made. And it's made by Gary Stern, and he signed it himself. Make sure you check the directions so that you're assembling right. Wow, it even smells new. Now I'm going to take the pan from the inside out. Inside we'll find the balls and other parts for the machine. This is the tilt bob that we put on the pinball machine so it doesn't tilt too much. And here are inside the balls that we're going to clean so we can put it on the pinball machine. We're going to take this off so that we can put in the balls. Ryan, I need your help getting this glass.
Sure.
Take these packing items that came in with the pinball machine. I need to lift up the board. Be gentle with these. Let's check the sheet again so we can see if we miss anything. Now I'm going to put the clean balls in the bottom here. Then we're going to turn the machine on. Ryan, I need your help again with glass.
Sure.
have one in your very own home. Call it. And now I'm going to start it.
Okay, it does require your finger to actually physically push the start button.
Okay, start button. Ryan, I need your help again with the glass.
For God's sake, can't you do anything on this? Take 3? No, they don't have it. All right, serious.